Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's first edition of Whiskey with Varmali. And today I have with me whiskey, I have a glass, and I have some ice. So, without any further ado, let's go. Now, you all must be wondering, what do I have in my kitty for you all? In today's video, we will be talking about how influencers sell their perfect lives on social media.
देख जिगर के छल्ले तेरे भाई की बल्ले बल्ले देख जिगर के छल्ले तेरे भाई की बल्ले बल्ले देख जिगर के छल्ले तेरे भाई की बल्ले बल्ले नहीं
They talk so much about positive life and good attitude in life that even God doesn't talk that much. And looking at them, even Ganesh Gaitonde feels like this. As you can see, this naughty boy here is Gaurav Zone, and when you take a look at his titles, you can see he's very emotional when it comes to his titles as well. Like something that says beard removal by wheat, prank by mom, or my house caught fire, crying, leaving YouTube, haath jodna. Okay. There will be points of time in your life when you will see this guy doing this.
लगी आपको तो क्या हम फ्यूचर में इसमें राइड पे जा सकते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं? दोनों को लेके चलूँगा। बताओ, चलो नंबर बताओ। 7 2
और this.
वीडियो यहीं एंड करते हैं। मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं वही बोर्ड जिससे भूत बुलाऊंगा मैं आज रात को, ठीक है? मैंने प्रॉमिस करा था सब्सक्राइबर को।
तू बिल्कुल भूत नहीं बुलाएगा, तू बुलाएगा भूत तो मैं यहाँ नहीं रहूंगी, मैं चली जाऊंगी।
कोई ना, अब मैंने प्रॉमिस करा सब। सो गाइस, अभी हम जा रहे हैं ओइजा बोर्ड का सामान लेने मार्केट। अब मार्केट बंद होने से पहले मेरे को वहाँ पहुँचना है क्योंकि आज रात को मैं भूत बुलाऊंगा। और
For a few seconds, I thought this guy is doing a good job by taking needy kids, hungry kids out for dinner. But what he did at the end of the video is something you need to see.
हमारी वीडियो क्या करें?
सरप्राइज।
ये सब्सक्राइब कर देना, को भी खोद देना।
Moving on, our next roasty for tonight is Mumbaikar Nikhil. He was a moto vlogger and then he changed to lifestyle vlogging, and he also danced at the YouTube Fan Fest last year.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
From the point of time he's changed to lifestyle vlogging, every video of his starts off with a motivational quote that is supposed to spread positivity. But it doesn't work that way. Thank you, Nikhil, for those kind words. You talk so positively. My dil goes, And I absolutely love the fact that you treated everyone positively and answered them in a very positive way.
मैं क्या रिप्लाई दूं उन लोगों को जिन लोगों को कोरोना से भी गंदी बीमारी है। नफरत पालना बहुत डेंजर होता है बॉस। आप आगे जाके जिंदगी में सीखोगे कि नफरत जब आप अंदर रखते हो ना, वो एक कैंसर का शेप ले लेती है। खुश रहो, मोहब्बत करो, नफरत मत फैलाओ।
Okay, but what about the criticisms that you're getting? Also, one more question. Now I know that you are a lifestyle vlogger and you promote positivity by being Adarsh Balak, but do you have an answer for this? Huh?
I'm done with your lies.
You see, I love myself. That is why, without any further ado, let's move to our next roastie. Varun Pruthi is the self-proclaimed god from Delhi. He goes to... Okay, let me just show it to you.
रखते भगवान में विश्वास मुझे भगवान ने भेजा आपके लिए ठीक है
थैंक यू
अपना
Only 5 rupees.
भगवान में विश्वास रखते हो आप
हाँ
पूरा पूरा
और
हैं
5 rupees. अरे ये कहाँ है सर?
मुझे भगवान ने भेजा है
If I had to talk about him in one line, I'd say, if God has an accent, that would be Varun Pruthi. You don't believe me, do you? Okay, let me show you something.
I did a speech and a guy, wrote a comment on the speech. He was like, motivational speaker kahan se ho gaya tu? Who are you? Like, your speeches don't even do anything, this and that. You're the worst motivational speaker I've ever seen. Get him on the ground and let's do one-on-one and see who's better. Just because he told me I'm the worst motivational speaker, I didn't become one.
There is a limit to how much my 10-year-old brain can take, and that is the reason we are stopping here right now. See, the thing is, there are a lot of people out there who are doing such stuff. Like India's highest subscribed individual YouTuber Amit Bhadana made a 7-minute song on himself talking about how he did mehnat, and the name of the song is Parichay, while the lyrics literally are Maine ki hai mehnat. Then there was Danish Zahin. His brother Gufran went to Himalayas last year and wrote #Fambra. Fambra is basically what they called their fan base. The reality is that this is the case on almost every platform right now. You go to TikTok, you go to Instagram, there are these influencers who will talk about, being a family with their fans and having a good rapport with everyone and sharing love, spreading love, and not using almond spreads. And by making this video, I don't mean to say that there's no good content available on social media. Not all heroes wear capes. My intent of making today's video was not to roast someone. It was just to say that although successful, although accepted, content can become monotonous and boring if not evolved for good. And you, my viewers, you all can spread positivity too. I'll show you how. Step 1. Make yourself a nice cup of coffee, because it's not everyone's cup of tea. Also, use a fancy cup like this one here. And once it's ready, bring it to a really nice location in your house जहाँ पे ज़्यादा आवाज़ नहीं आता होगा, and not a lot of people do. See, hold your mug like this and keep looking out as if you're thinking something, you're thinking about something pretty serious, thinking big. And then you should look into the camera, ekdam aisa, like with confidence, and what you should say is, personally, I don't have anything against anyone, but then the thing is, these haters, they're wasting their time. And okay, what is necessary is you need to have a smile on your face like this, and you need to say that it's okay if people are giving me negative comments, it's okay if people are talking bad things about you, but you need to understand what is good for you and what you are doing is the best. You need to believe in yourself.